Poem The Robin Makes a Laughing Sound by Sally Wolf. Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about how a little boy learns to look at nature and enjoy its beauty. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around to see just what the robins see. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees, a strong high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. The robin makes a laughing sound. I stop. I always look around. This poem, The Robin Makes a Laughing Sound, is written by Sally Wolf. The poetess is Sally Wolf. Now, this poem teaches us that how this child learns to look around at nature and enjoy its beauty. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around. Robin is a small brown bird with a red chest, with red color over the chest. And this robin makes a sound that it is laughing. It laughs. That type of sound it makes. And it makes the little boy stop and look around when he hears the robin making the sound as if it is laughing. To see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees. Twigs are small, thin branches of the trees. This child says that whenever he goes out into the garden or in the nature and he hears the laughing sound of the robin, he stops to look around that what exactly does the robin see. He wants to see what the robin sees, and he sees the fresh new leaves, the little fresh leaves that are growing on the on the thin branches of the trees. A strong high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. This little boy sees a strong, very strong, high branch on which the robin sits and sings or makes his or calls out or sings or laughs. And he says that he also goes around to see the safe dry ledge to hold its nest. Now the ledge is the narrow surface on the side of a wall or a wind. It's kind of a shed that is made over the window. So there the robin can make its nest, which is a safe and a dry place. So the child continues to say that the robin makes a laughing sound. I stop. I always look around. That whenever the robin makes a laughing sound, it sings, or it makes that laughing sound, the little boy he wants to stand and look around at what exactly does the robin see, and the boy also enjoys and tries to and learns to appreciate the nature. So it's a lovely short poem. We'll recite it once. The Robin Makes a Laughing Sound by Sally Wolf. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around to see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees, a strong high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. The robin makes a laughing sound. I stop. I always look around. Now we'll continue with the exercises that are given in the book regarding the lesson, regarding the poem. The first one, A, tick the correct options. The first, the poem tells us about A boy and a parrot, B, a child and a robin, C, a robin and its family. Yeah, the correct answer is B, a child and a robin. Second question, the child A stops and looks around, B walks in a park, C catches bird. In this poem, the child stops and looks around. So you will mark A because he looks around to see what the robin actually is enjoying in the park, in the nature. And he looks to see and enjoy the nature. Third one, the robin looks for a high branch to A, enjoy nature, B, make a nest, or C, take rest. Yes, it is take rest. Then we come to the next exercise on the next page. A, write words that rhyme with these pictures in the shape boxes. The first picture is a boat. Yes, that's a picture of a boat, and in the shape box we can write the word coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Coat rhymes with boat. Then in the next box, yes, that's an ice cream cone. So the word cone rhymes with alone. So I've written here alone. A-L-O-N-E, alone. Third one, you can see a pair of socks. So now socks will rhyme with frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. And the last one is bell. Bell will rhyme with well. W-E-L-L, well. Then we come to exercise B on the same page. Circle the odd one out. One has been already done for you. So the first question is laugh. The word meanings that are similar to laugh: giggle, smile, cry. Cry is just the opposite of laugh. So cry is the odd one out, so that has been circled. Second one, safe. Safe, harmless, will not harm you. Dangerous, unhurt. So the opposite of safe will be dangerous. So if you can see, the odd one out are mostly opposite words. Then we come to question number 3, mighty. Mighty, the words given are weak, strong, tough. Words strong and tough are very similar to the word mighty, meaning strong, powerful. The opposite word or the odd one is weak, just the opposite of mighty. So we will circle weak. Number 4, loud. The words given are shrill. Shrill is very high pitched noise. Noisy, again too much noise, something, a sound that irritates us. And quiet. Quiet is no noise, less noise, or maybe no noise at all, no sound at all. The odd word will be quiet. Quiet is just the opposite of loud. Number 5, the last word, look. Look, notice, hear, see. Notice and see are similar to the word look. The word here is not similar to the word, so it is the odd one out. That is why we will circle the word here. Okay? Now we turn the page and come to the last exercise pertaining to the chapter, that is fun time. Spell the names of the words correctly. Now there are words that are given, alphabets are given in jumbled or wrong, and the picture of the bird is given along with it, so you have to correct the word and write it down. So the first picture, yes, we all know it is a crow. So the correct spelling of crow is C-R-O-W, crow. Second picture, again children, I believe that you all know what it is. Yes, it is a pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Third one, oh, that's a very cute looking bird, and that is a owl. Yes, it is an owl. O-W-L, owl. Number 4, the green bird. Yes, talkative bird. It is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. And the last one, a very cute little tiny bird, is the sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. So children, you will learn and write the poem in your English 2 copy and also do the book exercises very neatly in your English 2 book.